Welcome back to 10 Slate Info. December 16 is not just a memorable day for Bangladesh, but also a day to celebrate. Since 16th December 1971, almost more than 92,000 Pakistani military and government officials surrendered before the Indian Army by ending the Bangladesh Liberation War. Bangladesh attained independence as a separate nation on December 16, ending 23 years of rule by the Pakistan. This freedom, which they got, was marked by a series of violent incidents of oppression and massacres, along with protests and resistance that drew global attention. To make this day special, President Ramnath Kovind is on Dhaka visit due to the invitation of his counterpart M. Abdul Hamid to attend the Golden Jubilee celebration of Bangladesh independence from Pakistan in 1971. During such a special day for Bangladesh, it was announced that Bangladesh will be importing the defense products worth 500 million US dollar line of credit offered by India. According to Foreign Secretary Harsh Vardhan, under this line of credit score, a number of gadgets have been recognized and being quick tracked. These defense gadgets are in a pretty superior phase of being processed, and these defense gadgets exports from India coming to Bangladesh is a good sign of good relationship and bonding between both the countries. It is also said that in future both countries would cooperate in the case of training, exchanges, joint manufacturing in the defense sector, and this is something that would be enhanced in future. The line of credit is for the aim of financing the defense-related procurement in Bangladesh. An Export-Import Bank of India entered into a settlement with Bangladesh Armed Forces Division for making out there to a later Government of India supported line of credit of 500 million US dollars. The President of India assured that Bangladesh has a special place in India's neighborhood first coverage and underlined that the relationship, primarily based on equality, belief, and understanding, is mature enough to deal with the most complex of problems. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slate Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.